Okay, since there's not many videos about this, I thought I would make one. A lot of people aren't like doing anything about it, but whatever. So, I'm working on a 2010 Toyota Camry at my workplace. A lot of vehicles have this sort of design to it with the air duct and the blower motor and whatnot. So, and this has to do with the actuator and getting it out and whatnot. So, actuator gonna be over here. Newer models are gonna be over by the steering wheel, but for this model, since it's earlier in the 2000s range, actuator is gonna be in this huge piece of plastic. I'm not sure what that one is. It might be another one, but yeah. But yeah, the actuator is gonna be in here. Hold on, I have to maneuver this a little bit more. Actuator is going to be over here looking like this when you take off like the glove box and all that. So in this piece of plastic. So you're going to have, I think it was about 3 screws. Don't have to quote me on that, but 3 screws you take out. They're like Phillips heads. Hold on. They look like this. Pretty simple. Just get whatever you can. Get that or whatever. Take those out. Pull this out, or yeah, 3 screws here. I think there's one over here, and there's one up here as well. So you're gonna have to probably go through the duct itself. So hold on, it's gonna be, hold on, it's gonna be somewhere over here. Yeah, like right where this crevice is, this big huge piece of plastic right here. That's where it's gonna be, where my finger is. Anyway, so right there. But yeah, take out the screws, pull this out. Take this out first though. Take out the connector. It'll make it a lot easier on you. So pull it out. And then here comes the tricky part, because you might do something that you're gonna regret. So you're gonna wanna pull this as far as you can out. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna continue with the video, but apparently just pull it completely out. You may break something, you may not, but yeah, take out the screws, pull this completely out, pretty much like that. And we got a better view now. You discover something new every day. But anyway, this is where the actuator is gonna be. There's gonna be a screw right here, and there's gonna be a screw probably on the bottom over here. You can't really see it, it's kind of dark. But yeah, pretty much it's gonna go in something like this. This is the new one that I'm putting in. So pretty much like that is how it's gonna be, with the 2 screws and all that other good jazz. But yeah, now for reinstall, I haven't gotten that far yet, but I just wanted to make a little video telling you that I see it a lot on YouTube, and I've looked it up so many goddamn times of how to get that fucking actuator out. And I've already gone through like all data several times, and they have no, and repeat, no way of actually telling you how to take it out. And it only gives you like the parts and labor, and it's supposed to take you like 4.5 hours in order to take this actuator out. And I'm not even sure why. It only took me about 2, maybe. Actually, no, take it back. This is taking me most of the morning, because fucker wouldn't move. Sorry for my cursing, but that's just how it is. But yeah, actuator out.